Good afternoon, good evening, good night. Hope you're doing well. We're all good here. A happy Sunday to you. Weather's not been the best, has it? But hey, hopefully you've had a nice relaxing weekend like what we have. Let's do a little update on day 21 of the chillies. Let's see what's happening. So not much has been changed because they all had a good drink yesterday. So apart from a bit of rotation to make sure they're not bending too much towards the light, bending themselves out of shape a bit too much. Other than that, a bit of rotation. I think we'll leave them be for a few days and then do a full rotation again, just check on them, see how everything's going. But so far, I think everything's looking okay. Looks like the water has helped everybody a bit. They've all perked up. Everything's looking nice. True leaves have gotten thicker. Some of the little smaller plants, the true leaves have come through even more. Everything's looking okay, I think, so far. But we'll find out. See, a lot of these very nice true leaves are coming through now. Some of the back need to get switched around and brought to the front, but they're doing okay at the moment. And especially these Kashmiri Merch at the back, they've just gone out of control. Even the Cayennes on the corner. But yeah, so far everything's looking alright. We'll have a check-in on Monday for day 22, see what's happening, but I think so far everything's working out okay. I want to thank you all for joining us, and again I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. You take care of yourself, make sure it's a nice, peaceful, stress-free one. Do what you enjoy best. You take care of yourself, make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care of yourselves, happy Sunday, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.